parties are free to contract for anything relating to them that they wish. Now, if there are minor children involved, there are things that have to be more prescribed because the interests of children, minors, don't have a voice for themselves, and their interests have to be protected by the law, if you will. The law being mainly to protect their financial interests. When folks purchase a home, they don't negotiate with a lawyer, they negotiate with a realtor. The greatest purchase they make, okay? The sale price, who the home inspector should be, should the refrigerator, freezer in the basement convey with sale, okay? When they purchase a car, which today a car costs what a house costs a generation or two ago. When they go to purchase a car, they don't think to take, no one takes a lawyer to negotiate the terms of a car purchase. Why they think they need a lawyer to negotiate a family financial matter is beyond me. The lawyer, I'm a member of the bar. I am a graduate of law school. We never got this. It's not on the bar exam, okay? By the way, as a divorce financial expert and as a financial planning expert, I have a lot of hours of continuing ed required of me every single year. As a Maryland lawyer, I've been a member of the bar since 1987. I have not been required to have 1 minute of continuing ed requirement. Okay? So my certifications and degrees require a level of competency and recertification that the lawyers are not required to have. Just a side note, very interesting. I was brought in a case recently as an expert, and the other side, which is what they try to do, try to discredit me and to try to hold me out as not as an expert. And I said, well, by the way, I have continuing ed requirements that you don't have. And the judge started laughing, and the judge said right away, well, he's got us on that one. So a lawyer is important for if there's court stuff, of course, but ideally it's better not to rely on the court. But a lawyer is to tell you what the law might say. Nobody can say what a judge would say. There's so many divorce is a gray area. There's so many underlying factors that impact a settlement, and no lawyer can tell you precisely what a ruling would be, because it would depend on which judge you get and on what day you get that judge. And every lawyer will tell you that. So when I help a client reach a financial settlement, I then bring them to a family lawyer colleague to draft the agreement. That's the lawyer lane. I want a family law expert who drafts agreements every day to draft that agreement. And when we have a meeting, I'm going over the financial terms that we have agreed upon. And then I have the lawyer memorialize those financial terms into a legal document and a binding document. That's the lawyer lane. That's the divorce financial expert lane. When you can keep them separate, and then have them collaborating, that's where the best outcomes come.